guys, welcome back to my channel. Simone here, and I just want to do a product review and kind of a battle of two products from the same company, line, brand, whatever you want to call it. So I wanted to test out the difference between this black Eco Styler Gel, the black castor oil and flaxseed oil. This is the tiny version because I got this last year when it was super hot. This cost me like $10 when normally a big tub would cost me $10, but I just had to have it. I needed it really bad, so I got it. And the other one I have here is the Argan Oil Gel. I saw this at Sally's for like $3 and I wanted to try it. I have tried all the Eco Styler gels except for the coconut oil one. My current favorite is still tried and true, my olive oil. I think the olive oil Eco Gel is just the bomb.com. Like, it just works well, lays your edges, like snatches wigs, all of it. Anyways, yeah, I want to tell you guys the difference, what I thought about this one and this one. Okay guys, so here are my end results. And if you could see during the video, I was using on the left the black castor oil on this side, and then I used the argan oil on this side. So overall, what I'm feeling right now is that they're actually both pretty similar for me. So this side, which is the black castor oil, that one actually I feel like has some slightly more frizzy pieces, and this side is a little bit more defined. So for definition, I would rate argan oil a little bit higher. However, like for the actual like moisturizing aspect, I feel like this one's a little bit better, the black castor oil, because you can see these little pieces down here are really defined. These ones are, yeah, defined as well, but it feels like whenever there's more moisture in the product, then, and it's a little bit more moisturizing, then my hair kind of springs up a little bit better. Also wanted to show you these two braids. So I did this kind of, I don't know if you guys can see, but as I was doing the tutorial, but I did kind of a little two braids here. Sometimes I do that when I don't want to like have to figure out my hair all the way, and I'll just throw two little braids in the front, and it's a lot easier to style, and then the next day I just take the braids out and it looks really cute. So this, oh my gosh, holy grail, hello curl. Obviously I need a haircut, that's why my ends are a little bit more raggedy. I'm about 6 months overdue for a haircut. My hair is super long right now, and that's only because really I've been just avoiding a haircut because I'm so scared to get them taking too much off of my hair. But yeah, so this is pretty much the end result. In terms of volume, I would say that it feels like the black castor oil side, this side has a little bit more oomph in it. After you guys saw me applying the product, I went through and I actually diffused my whole head, which is something I don't usually do. I usually air dry, I don't do a lot of heat to my hair, but I really wanted to go to lunch with my fiance today, and I had to make it work. And I really wanted to film for you guys. So I diffused it to about 90%, and then I let the last 10% air dry, which I feel really good about. Like, I actually kind of want to do this more often. My hair is damaged, but it's not like out of control damage. It looks pretty healthy to the naked eye. And it still feels soft, and I just washed it today, so I'm feeling like $1,000,000. You know when you just feel like trash for, you know, a few days, and you're just like, oh, I'm crusty, I'm gross, I don't feel good. And then boom, you take that shower, you wash that hair, you slap on some makeup, and you're good to go. Okay? I know you guys know how I feel, especially as moms. But anyway, in terms of the winner of this, I would say that, you know, they're so similar, but I would say at this point the argan oil has my hair feeling a little bit softer. So I would say you're the winner. Yay! So, with that being said, you know, I don't see any flakes in my hair yet. I know that sometimes when I use the black castor oil one, I do see flakes in my hair, especially when I use them for my edges. I didn't really lay my edges, I just have this curly, crazy piece, and I don't really feel like laying my edges. I just don't want to. It doesn't always turn out the way I want, so yeah. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of mini tutorial / review. Let me know if you like this kind of format. If not, and you just want the review, you don't want to see the tutorial, or you want to see a tutorial but no review, let me know, and I'm happy to take some feedback. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. All right, bye-bye.